children, how are you all? Welcome back to English class. In the previous video, we have completed half of the lesson from the supplementary Spices of India. Now, let us recall what we have learnt. Spices are the soul of Indian food. They give taste to our food. Spices are balanced and nutritious without fat or calories. The mixture of spices can be different in different places. Flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and bulbs are the parts of a plant used as spices. Spices history is adventurous. Columbus and Vasco da Gama came in search of pepper to India, but Columbus reached America and found chili, whereas Vasco da Gama reached Kozhikode, Kerala in India, the home of pepper. Indians traded spices with many foreign nations along with perfumes and textiles. Ayurvedic use of spices in medicine and cooking is observed thousands of years ago. Once, a pound of ginger was equal to the price of one sheep, and a pound of maize was equal to the price of 3 sheep or half the price of a cow. Pepper was the most prized spice. Children, now let us read the rest of the lesson. The world needed spices from India. There is a question, what are those spices that the world wanted so badly? Let us see those spices that the world needed the most, children. Cardamom, cloves, ginger, mace and nutmeg were some of the other spices that left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. The meaning for cardamom is a kind of aromatic seed. Cloves, the meaning is the dried bud of a tropical tree used as a spice. Ginger, a hot spice made from the root of a Southeast Asian plant. Maize means a spice made from nutmeg husks. What is the meaning for nutmeg? It is a spice made from the seed of a tropical tree. So, the spices that the world wanted the most are cardamom, cloves, ginger, mace and nutmeg. These spices left Indian kitchen to give taste to the world's kitchen. Using spices in cooking has a long history. It may go back as far as 52,000 years ago, though we cannot know for sure how men came to use spices. It is quite possible that it was by chance. Children, though we are not confirmed about the usage of spices, it has a long history. We have to go far as 52,000 of years ago. People might have started to use spices by chance. However, spices have played a vital role in our food now for a long time. In earlier centuries, spices were not easily available and were very expensive. The meaning for vital is essential for life. Expensive meaning is costing a lot of money. Children, people might have started using spices by chance, but anyhow, now spices have played an important role in our food for a long time. In earlier centuries, spices were not easily available and they were very costly. Thus, spice traders became rich. Pepper and cinnamon no longer cost a fortune. However, while they seem to have lost their glory and value, they will never lose their place in a kitchen, especially an Indian one. The meaning for traders is merchants. Pepper, a hot tasting seasoning made from peppercorns. Cinnamon, meaning is a spice made from the bark of an Asian tree. Fortune, luck. Glory, fame and honor. Value, importance or usefulness. Children, pepper and cinnamon had made the spice traders yield more profit, and thus they became rich. Pepper and cinnamon might lose their glory and value one day, but they have been given a permanent place in the Indian kitchen. Black pepper. Black pepper, also known as black gold, was the most prized spice traded from the Kerala coast. Indians have been using black pepper for a very long time. Children, black pepper is also known as black gold. It was the costly spice sold from the Kerala coast. Black pepper has been used by Indians for a very long time. Farmers began growing it in around 5000 years ago and exported it to North and West Asia. The trade soon spread to Greece, Rome, Europe and China, and also became popular in the Islamic Empire. The meaning for exported is sent goods to another country for sale. Now, around 5000 years ago, the farmers started growing black pepper. It was sent to North and West Asia for sale. The trade soon spread to other countries like Greece, Rome, Europe and China, and it also became popular in Islamic Empire. Recipes from rich Roman households show the value of the spice in ancient Rome. In Rome, only the rich Roman households could offer pepper and use it in cooking. This showed the importance of spice in ancient Rome. The meaning for recipes is a list of ingredients and instructions for preparing a dish. Households, a house and its occupants. The Romans sent 120 ships a year from Egypt to trade with India and bring back enormous quantities of pepper. Children, the Romans used to send 120 ships a year from Egypt to trade with India and bring back enormous quantities of pepper. Cinnamon. Indians have been using cinnamon for a long time. The Chinese wrote about it in 2700 BCE. Cinnamon not only adds great flavor to food, it also helps to preserve it. The meaning for BCE is before the Common Era. Preserve, to protect. Children, do you know Indians have been using cinnamon for a long time? The Chinese have mentioned about it in 2700 BCE. Cinnamon not only adds great taste to food, it even helps the food to prevent it from decaying. People from other parts of the world appreciated the fragrance and taste of cinnamon. They wanted it too and were willing to pay a good price for it. The meaning for appreciated is they recognized. The people from other parts of the world recognized the value of cinnamon for its taste and fragrance. Even they too wanted cinnamon and they were ready to pay a good price for it. The Greeks, Romans and Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. In the Middle Ages, the Venetians grew rich by taxing the cinnamon that was brought from India to Europe and the Mediterranean. The spice trade was expanded, children. The Greeks, Roman, and Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. In the Middle Ages, the Venetians became rich by demanding money for the cinnamon that was exported from India to Europe and the Mediterranean. Now we have come to the end of the lesson. Let us see the history of the spices. From 3000 BCE to 200 BCE, the Arabs traded spices and herbs among early civilizations. Then from 200 BCE to 1200 CE, the Romans controlled the trade. Then from 1200 to 1500 CE, Europeans explored passages to the East Indies. Then 1400 to 1600 CE, the wars for control of the spice trade broke out. 1500 to 1700 CE, the English exploration begins. Then 1600 to 1900 CE, the Americans enter the spice trade. And now today, we Indians, we export pepper, cardamom, ginger, chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin. We are great. Do you know, children, one of the earliest plants that Indians grew was sugarcane. It is valuable both for providing energy and for its great taste. Children, do you like sugarcane? Yes, it gives us sugar and jaggery. When do we get more sugarcane? During Pongal festival in the month of January, isn't it? Sugarcane is one of the earliest plants that Indians grew. It is valuable both for providing energy and for its great taste. Okay, children, we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you all might have understood the lesson well. I will see you in the next class. Till then, obey your parents. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.